Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this cordless water flosser from Amazon. So the main part is this, and this is what a jet tip is. It's basically like where the water shoots out from for your teeth. It actually already comes with 2 of these. So on the bottom you can get 2 free jet tips if you just activate your warranty, and as well as a charger, as well as a bag to put your flosser in, and of course the whole flosser, and of course the entire component itself. Nice for on-the-go travel use. Okay, so first there is the power button, which is right here. It comes charged already. So right now it's on. So right now it's on normal mode. There are different modes: normal, short, and pulse. Over here on the top, there we go. And there's a little compartment there. Oh, there is another guy hiding in there. Wonder if there's any more. I wonder if these things break really easily. There's like a lot of them. But let's go ahead and tuck that away. And then this hole is where you put this. So let's just insert that. That makes sure that it's all the way on. And this button ejects this if you want to take it off. There you go. And you want to make sure that when you snap it back on, it has a snap sound. This is where you put the water in, where it will then come out there. So let's just try this. Put it back in. This thing actually sits on top of the water so that you can know when the water is running out. Let's do this. So I'm just going to, all right, let's try. Wait, you know what? Let me try my hand first. I'm just gonna turn it on. Yes, definitely do that in the sink. It's really powerful. Everything over there is wet now, and I need to go clean up. But yeah, it definitely works. I'm assuming that your teeth will have to get used to this kind of pressure, but that's how you use a water flosser. Comment what you think about this product. Let me know your thoughts. Share this video if you would like. For more product reviews, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.